can't wait so we can break apart the
A little bit too much costly, right?
Huh? No, 150 I think if
One big one.
this one is delicious but very hard to take. Magdalugan na kadikalan na. Napang nag-war. Let's try. They say you need to.
See, today I have a new haircut and today I'm going to show you some exotic food. Okay, I will show you what exactly we are having.
At least you already eat before this one, right?
Yeah, I eat, but this one we eat one time only.
But here it's fresh.
Tiram, oyster. In Ilakana they will say tiram. See?
This one,
See here.
cook or what?
Which is uncooked. This one is uncooked. Okay, so we just open it and clean up. I have already included the video when Rosie is cleaning this one. And if you put the hot water, that is also another possibilities to open it up, and I mean to clean it up. But if you put the hot water, the real taste of the oyster you won't get it. So that is the reason we just open it whatever it is hard. So I will include this video also in the front of how we clean up. See, everything is a very fresh one. Focus here. See this one. It's everything uncooked without anything, and in this itself you have the salty taste because it is a ocean one. And also another one, this one is
It's hot. Oh.
DINENGDENG. And we put some snake beans and eggplant and also some bagoong and everything we mix. Very hot. See the smoke. I can't eat, so hold it. I will drink the soup.
It's hot. Oh.
See, it's very tasty. You can see here. You focus this one. See this one. Everything. We mix the fish also. This is tilapia fish. It's from river. For the taste, we mix this one. Always just fried and mix this one. And also another one. This is fried tilapia. Just we put the salt only, deep fried. Okay, so I will take one piece. Okay, and also I will take some this one snake beans and eggplant, some more. Okay, and some spoon some soup I will mix it. Okay, and oyster, not this one, okay, and this one, and
Try first this one.
okay, see this one. Oyster, come on, focus close so that they can see this oyster. See, it is uncooked. I'm going to take it and I'm just going to try and eat this one. It is inside also some shell have.
Just take out.
Okay, see this one, very jelly. I will take this one. I like the real taste because you can feel the ocean and the saltiness, and also it's like a you can taste it is like a jelly. The taste will be like little bit salt and some soft jelly only, not too much anything plain and very uncooked. We never mix salt or anything. See, very tasty. And one more thing I will take this. See here. Another one I'm taking. You focus here. See, the water is dripping.
You put here the
Very
shell.
tasty. I will put all the shell here.
The one is
Okay.
already cooked.
Now I will mix the rice. Okay. And with some soup I have added. Okay. The soup is little bit salty. The snake beans is not too much cooked. It's not overcooked. It's a crunchy one. You can feel the taste. It's nice, tasty, plain taste. No masala. It's nice.
Where's the chili?
I have here.
Oh.
See, for spicy, I will always take this chili. This chili very spicy. And the fried fish, see, it's nicely cooked. Some small bones, you can eat this one also. You don't want to hesitate. Okay, and then see, I will eat without rice. Salty and very nicely cooked. It's deep fried. Outer layer is very crunchy and inside very soft. It's nice. I'll mix with the rice and same that the snake beans also I will take it. Very tasty. Okay guys, again one more, the last one. I like this one, the oyster. I will mix with the rice.
You put here the shell.
The shell. See, some oyster is one of my favorite dish. It's very tasty, jelly, and very healthy one also. everyone can eat. Okay guys, I hope everyone enjoyed this video, and thank you for watching. And the person who haven't subscribed, please subscribe our YouTube channel Twohungry Travelers, and please follow, like, I am in Facebook page, follow and like Twohungry Travelers. Okay guys, thank you, bye, God bless everyone.